How to use Tub Clean Coach on the LG ThinQ app. If you are using LG electronic products that are equipped with a tub clean cycle, such as washers, dryers, WashTowers, and dishwashers, you can use the Tub Clean Coach feature on the ThinQ app. By using the Tub Clean Coach feature, you can keep your product clean and identify when and how to use the Tub Clean cycle. Things to check before using the Tub Clean Coach feature. Check whether the wireless router is powered on and if the ThinQ app is installed on your mobile device. Let's take a look at the Tub Clean Coach feature. Open the ThinQ app on your mobile device and select the product you want on the home screen. Tapping Useful Features before tub cleaning allows you to check how to use the product and how many times it has been used. If the product needs cleaning, or if it has been used about 30 times, tap Start Machine Clean. Once completing it, open the door to ventilate the inside of your product and keep it in optimal condition.